Bio Peeps. This is Teacher Sarah, a biology teacher based in Thailand. Another day, another Bio 101. Have you ever wondered how do birds know where to go when they migrate without any map or GPS? That's what we're going to find out. Many birds travel thousands of kilometers and they don't get lost. Like, how do they do that? They actually use a mix of tools: the sun, the stars, Earth's magnetic field, and even smells to navigate. Some birds have special cells in their brains that act like tiny compasses, helping them sense the planet's magnetic field. It's like they have internal GPS built by nature. And yes, birds even pass this skill down from generation to generation. Isn't it amazing? So, let me ask you this question. If you could migrate anywhere like birds, where would you go? Let me know your answer in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. I'll see you on my next video. Bye!